Hey guys, this is Cousin Vinny coming to you at noon on November the 22nd with a quick video showing you what I'm looking at as the spiders are at new highs 180.55. Looking at the sectors in particular, I have these candle glance charts set up for each of the sectors. Let's just go through them real quick. Bear with me. Note the number of stocks that are doing well versus the number that are either below their 20 or 50 or look like they might be dropping down. There's not a whole lot on this page. For example, Monsanto's looking pretty good on a breakout. Lionel Bass. Okay, let's go to page 2. All right, as you can see, Vulcan Materials is okay, but it's not like jumping out at highs. Okay, let's go to XLE. You see the same thing. Note the number of stocks that are down below an average. They're not really breaking out here. Some of the heavier weights like ExxonMobil, you can see it's flagging out here, but it's not breaking out to highs. So I'm not seeing the confirmation that the spiders are giving us relative to this particular move. I mean, am I missing something here? I don't think so. Okay, let's go to the XLF, which you would expect to all be breaking out. You know, you have a few that are showing the best performance, but the ones that are breaking out are moving away, like Bank of America, away from the moving averages, and you would tend to think is going to mean revert. Berkshire Hathaway, Bank of New York. There's a few on here. Okay, this is page 1. Let's go to page 2. GS will be on that one. The GS looks okay. I mean, the rest of these aren't that great. I mean, it wouldn't indicate to me that we're at 180.55 on the spiders. I mean, all of these should be breaking out from my perspective, you would think. And the ones that are moving higher look like they have a tendency to want to move back to a moving average, mean revert. Prudential is doing okay over here, but the rest of them not so much. State Street looks okay. SunTrust, Travelers, okay. Wells Fargo. Again, let's go to industrials. We'll do the same thing. 3M, a nice shooting star there. I mean, this is the kind of thing I'm looking for. A move back down to the 20 or 50 period moving average, but not trading at highs. Okay, FedEx, so-so. General Dynamics looks good, but I mean, that's one or two stocks out of an entire sector. LMT looks good. Northrop looks good. I noted Raytheon was looking good as well. I mean, so that's 4 or 5 stocks out of this whole sector. UNP, Textron, okay, so 6. These look okay. WM. Let's go to technology. You're starting to get the idea. I mean, look at these stocks that are not performing in these sectors. Yeah, you have a few standouts. Autodesk is pulling off of the highs. But look at the rest of these stocks. Does that say to you that we should be trading at highs? I don't know. Maybe I'm missing something. It's probably the second or third time I've said that, but Juniper looks okay on technology. MU. Red Hat is alright, I guess. I mean, starting to get a bull cross coming. But you'd think you'd be moving off of like a low like October 9th for some of these things to be setting up the way they are currently. Let's go to consumer staples. There you go. Archer Daniels looks okay up here. Chubb, CVS, half a dozen so far. Certainly not all of them. Okay, PG's flagging out. Tyson looks good. Walgreens. Okay, so you're getting the idea. Utilities I wouldn't expect to be doing as well, but it has been lagging. Look at this, you know, Edison. Okay, he's all right. Got a bounce here on NI. XCL. Let's go to healthcare. All right, you got a couple of half dozen here on the first page. Celgene. You know, the biotechs look good, but the whole market, I don't know. I just don't see it. Merck, Pfizer, and Bristol Myers I mentioned were looking good. I made a erroneous click there. Okay, WellPoint looks decent. It's flagging out. All right, in the last sector, consumer discretionary, you'd think you'd see some massive buying here. You got Amazon, Carnival, Comcast, DirecTV. I mean, do you see these pushing the market up to the highs that they're at? I don't know. I think we're setting up for a move lower. I'm unless somebody can point something out that I'm missing. Ralph Lauren is flagging out into the 20 period. Maybe it moves higher into year end. TWC, nice little move. But for the most part, this sector is not so great. So that's it. I just wanted to point out a very quick observance of the sectors. Let's take a look real quick also at the ARC Institutional Index. It's 75 stocks. It's a cap weighted index of all of the positions that institutions commonly hold, and it's usually a barometer of the market that I like to watch. You can see where these are, the banks, Caterpillar down here at the lows, ConocoPhillips, Comcast. We looked at some of these already, GS, GG, Goldcorp, GS, Intel's dropping, 3M, we talked about that candle. Alright, you see these down here. Qualcomm's okay, but a lot of these are moving down lower. Alright, so again, this is Cousin Vinny coming to you from theclosingprint.com, just with an observation on where's this participation coming from and why are we trading at the highs that we are currently at 180.55. Okay, take care and we'll talk to you soon.